Hi guys, welcome back to today's tutorial, and today we are going to install crochet, right? We leave out, minimal leave out, but I still want to be able to style this in various ways using the leave out that we have out there in the world. So let's start with the pattern for the day. So let's go from here. So I was saying that this is like a big cycle around the parameters of your head. It's going because again I want this to have leave out and I still want it to look as natural as possible. So what we want to do now is to braid this down just to separate it from the rest of the cloth. I'm just doing a flat twist here, nothing extraordinary. What you need to cook this food is an expression series. I know it doesn't really match my hair, but we are going to make it work. Crochet hook, latch hook, pair of scissors. Because we are going to cut this in half. So it comes like this in the back, just like so. And I want to ensure that we use just one pack for this. Close it back, drag this out. For this part, take one piece, do a double knot, let's go again, keep closed, take it underneath your heel, like so. Place your extension, close the latch, drag it out. Take one piece of this, do a double knot, and close. You fit the entire step across your braid pattern. How do I feel like this is going to look like my hair in different shades? I got the fruits perfectly. So I can still do like half up, half down with this. And it will go well. It will go well. It will blend in so well. So let me fill up the middle and you see this demarcation line? It is going to be very useful in my next video. So stay tuned. You see how I want to have fun with this particular installation. So let's take this down. Yay! Or if you can find this shade of extension in your hair color, that would also be great. Oh, you know, Nigeria and its limitations. Anyway, so let's start this.